Problems involving compound interest. Given, find the maturity and the compound interest if 10,000 reals is compounded annually at an interest rate of 2% in 5 years. So in this given, we're going to use this formula. F is equal to P times quantity 1 plus R raised to T, wherein F is the future value or the maturity amount. P is the principal or present value, R is the rate, and T is time in years. To solve for the compound interest, I subscript C is equal to F minus P, wherein I subscript C is the compound interest, F is the future value, and P is the principal or present value. Alright, so let's identify our given since we're looking for the maturity or the future value, so F is unknown, as well as the compound interest, so our I subscript C is also unknown. So the rest of the given, so P is 10,000, then R is 2%, that is equal to 0.02, and T is equal to 5. So for our solution, let's start solving for the maturity amount or the future value. So here is our formula, then substitute the given. So P is 10,000, write down 1, then our R here is 0.02, and our T is 5. So from here, we're going to use calculator. So 10,000 times 1 plus 0.02 raised to the 5th power, and here is our answer. So in 2 decimal places, that is 11,040.81. So we're going to round off this 0 because the next number is more than 5. Alright, so our answer is 11,040.81. Therefore, the maturity value is 11,040 reals and 81 halala. Now, to solve for the compound interest, we're going to use this formula. We will just simply write the maturity value or the future value, which is 11,040 and 81, minus the given present value, which is 10,000, and we will get our compound interest, which is 1,040.81. So therefore, the compound interest is 1,040 reals and 81 halala. In our given number 2, what is the present value of $50,000 due in 7 years if money is worth 10% compounded annually? So in this problem, the present value is unknown. So we're going to use this formula, P is equal to F over 1 plus quantity 1 plus R raised to T, wherein F is the future value or the maturity amount, P is the principal or present value, R is the rate, and T is the time in years. So in here, since we are looking for the present value, so our P is unknown. Then we'll write the rest of the given. F is, or the future value is 50,000. The rate is 10%, that is equal to 0.1, and T is 7. So we will then write the formula of the present value. Then we will substitute the given. So our F here is 50,000. Write down 1. Then our R is 0.1 and our T is 7. So from here, we're going to use a calculator. So given 50,000 divided by 1 plus 0.1 raised to the 7th power. Alright, so here is our given. Our answer in 2 decimal places. So 25,657.91. So that's the answer. Therefore, the present value is $25,657.91.